If you have seen my previous video on fuchsia propagation through cuttings, we took a few cuttings from this mother plant and planted them in soil. And once they started to grow, we transplanted them in separate containers. If you have not seen that video, I have put the link in the description of this video and you can check it out. So in this video, I'll show you how it grew. It's been a month that we transplanted these fuchsia cuttings, and this one, this was a little small and this one was taller. Now they are almost the same size. This one has grown really big, and they're sitting outside in my garden tent, so they are protected from the frost and the nighttime low temperatures because it is pretty cold. Here the temperatures go to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, which is like 4 or 5 degrees centigrade. So they are protected by the tent. But as the weather warms up, then I'm going to move them in outside in partial sun. So 6 more weeks have passed, and look at these two plants. They are growing so well. They have doubled in size, both vertically and horizontally, I would say. So they are really happy, and they are outside in partial sun, and I keep the soil moist, and they are very happy. Now we have to see if we'll get any flowers this summer or not. It's been a few months that we transplanted these plants, and if you look at this one, it has some dry leaves because it was a few of the branches were in direct sun and for extended period of time, and this is what happens. This is very sun sensitive, so you have to keep it in partial shade like this. It's getting some sun but some shade. But look at this one, so many new flower buds are coming. So I'm so happy that we made cuttings and we planted them, and finally the cuttings have grown into nice plants, and now we are getting flowers. So even this one is getting, you can see, there are flower buds forming, but because of a few of the branches getting dried up, it doesn't look that great, but it is healthy otherwise. And this one is extremely healthy and happy. So it's been 4 months that we planted these cuttings that we grew from the mother fuchsia plant. And look at these now. They have these beautiful flowers all around. And of course, in this one, because some of the leaves had gotten burnt, it is a little behind. But even in this, you can see that there are flower buds appearing. So it took these plants about 8 months from taking the cuttings to getting these flowers. Here is the mother plant. So basically, we took a few cuttings from this mother plant uh, and tried to grow them, propagate them through cutting. And two of the cuttings survived. And then we transplanted them in these containers, one cutting each. And in 4 months, they have grown really big. They have now they are about a foot tall, and they were 4 or 5 inches tall when we had planted them, and they are getting the flowers. So what else can you ask for? This is so rewarding, and the flower is so beautiful. Every time I look at it, I feel so good about it. So basically, if you want to propagate your fuchsia, you take some cuttings, plant them, keep them moist and in humid conditions, warm conditions. Once they start to grow, then you transplant them, and in a few months, you'll have new plants. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.